So here we've got a transformation, we've got a transform. Now the single biggest mistake I ever see is the word single transformation not being observed by the student. Okay, some people like to say, well, move it left, move it down, move it right. That's nonsense. You've got to say one word that would explain the type of transformation that's happened here. And to help you with that, just think, we only have to know 4 different types of transformation. We can enlarge the shape, we can rotate the shape, we can reflect the shape, or we can translate the shape. Now let's decide what we've got here. You look at the picture and decide, can I do, for example, translation? Now translation means I can put my finger on that shape and I can move it on top of the other one. And clearly I can't do that, they're pointing different directions, that's no good. If it's a enlargement, then that means that one triangle should be bigger or smaller than the other, and that's not the case, they're both the same size, so it's not that. If it was a reflection, I should be able to fold my exam paper some way so that one of the triangles can go on top of the other, but I can't see how to do that. It has to be a rotation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my piece of tracing paper, which you're allowed in the exam, and I'm going to draw on with a felt tip pen or something like that the triangle B and the triangle A. And using my compass point or a very sharp pencil, okay, I'm going to put it where I think the centre of that rotation might be. And let's just say for the second one I'm going to get it wrong the first time. Just perhaps you might get it wrong the first time yourself. Okay, you stick it in where you think it might be, and you rotate the paper around, and you find, oh, it doesn't go onto each other. Okay, so that guess was wrong. So don't worry, I'm going to put the paper back where it started from, and I'm going to try now what might be the centre of rotation. I'm going to choose the origin, 0, 0, and see, does that work? So I'm going to rotate the triangles round, and this time it does look like I can put A onto triangle B. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So the centre must be 0, 0. So I have to write down these 3 facts now, which are quite important. Okay, it's certainly a rotation, so this is a rotation. Then we've got to say how much we rotated it round. Well, if you think you turned your piece of paper completely upside down, it's 180 degrees. And that's 180 degrees about the origin, 0, 0. Okay? Now it doesn't worry about clockwise or anti-clockwise because 180 degrees doesn't matter which way you go around, does it? You're doing a complete turn, a half turn, so it doesn't matter which way you went round. But that's how to answer the question. So do pause and have a read. Remember, yeah, so there's no point in writing go left, go right, up and down a bit. There's only 4 words that are going to get you marks there, and I wrote those 4 words in red on the video, so that's, there we go, rotation 180 degrees and 0, 0. B marks, no debating.